Hello everyone, good morning dear children. In the previous class, we already discussed about the data handling and how to draw the bar graph, and also we know the difference between pictograph and bar graph. Here another example is there. Here they given one table for you. Name the competitions. Here name of the competitions are there. That is Bhavagite, debate, essay writing, election. So these four competition are there. So number of students participated in this competition. So they given table like this. Like this, you should draw the bar graph for this table. So now see the number of participated. Bhavagite, how many members? 10 members. Bhavagite 10. And debate 15. The number of students participated in the debate, sorry, that is not 15, 20. Number of students participated in debate 20. The essay rating, that is 25 students are participated in the essay competition. And the final one, elocution. Elocution in that 15 members. The meaning of this one is, this is also one type of debate competition, just like a speaking in English, that is speech. That one is what we call it as speech. So that is elocution. This is elocution. So 15 members participated. Number of students participated in the competitions. The Bhavagite, that is 10 members participate from the school, because in the annual cultural program they arrange a competition for the students. In that competition, how many members are participated in a particular respective competitions they given in the table. So by using the table, you should draw the bar graph. See, Bhavagite 10 members. 10 members students participated in Bhavagite. And debate competition 20 members. Essay writing 25 members. And elocution, that is 15 members. These are the number of participated. So now we will write the graph for this given table. See, number of participated, that is the number form. The number of name of the competitions are given. How many competitions are there? 4. Here the vertical line indicates number of students participated. What is that? Number of students. Number of students So this is the vertical line indicates number of students participated, and the horizontal line indicates, that is, name of the competition. The horizontal line indicates name of the competition. What is that? Name of the competitions. So the horizontal line indicates the name of the competition, and the vertical line indicates number of students participated in the competition. See, here what the number is there? First one 10, second one 20, third one 25, and the fourth one is 15. Okay. So like this, they given in the previous graph, we start from 3, 4, 5, like this, so on. Okay, but here they given 10, 20, 25, 15, like this. So I start from here. Scale means I used to take scale 1 centimeter equal to 1 centimeter equal to 5 students. If the centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is exactly equal to 5 students. 1 centimeter equal to 5 students. Okay. So in the previous graph we start from 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. But here I start from 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So these are the number of students participated in the competition. Here name of the competitions are there. So total how many names are competitions are there? 4. First one is Bhavagite, debate, essay writing and Al-Kashf. These 4 competition. By using the table now I will draw bar graph. See first one, what is that? Bhavagite, 10 members. Bhavagite. What is that? I will write BG. BG means Bhavagite. How many members are there? 10. Exactly equal to 10. That is, we should draw one bar graph for that. This is Bhavagite. So this is Bhavagite competition. How many members are participating in the competition? 10 members. Next one is debate. Debate competition. How many members are there? 20 members. Debate competition. How many members? 20. Debate. DC. Debate competition. D means debate. C means competition. How many members are there? 20. It's exactly equal to 20. I should draw one bar graph here. So this is perpendicular to this horizontal line, and this one is also exactly perpendicular or vertical to that horizontal line. This indicates the number of students who are participated in the debate competition. The second one is debate competition. In the debate competition, how many members? 20 members. That's why the bar is exactly equal to 20. Next one is essay writing. 25 members. Essay writing. Essay, EW. Essay writing. That is 25 members. It should be exactly equal to 25. So we should draw a perpendicular line to the horizontal line, whatever which indicates the name of the competitions. So now I am drawing the third competition, that is essay writing. The number of students participated in the essay writing, that is 25. So this is exactly equal to 25. The final last one, that is Al-Kashf. This is the last competition. The number of students participated in that 15 members. How much? 15. You should draw the bar exactly equal to 50. So while you are drawing in your book, you should use scale, pencil. You should sharp your pencil, and this is last competition. Okay. So the number of in that competition participated 15 members. While you are drawing this one in your classwork book, you should use scale. Okay. So this is bar graph about this given table. See, again I am explaining about this one. Listen carefully. Sometimes what they will do, they will give the graph for us. They will ask some questions on the graph. If in case, see, they given graph, we don't know anything about the table. If they given only graph, what they ask one question to you. What is that? How many members participated in debate competition? See, you should here see the last line. What is that? It's exactly equal to the debate competition bar is exactly equal to 20. And this vertical line indicates number of students participated. So 20 is the answer. If they ask how many members participated in debate competition means 20 members participated in that. Okay. So like that sometimes they will give the graph for you and they will ask some questions to you. Sometimes they will give table for you and you should draw the graph by using that table. Here also they given some questions to you. You should see in the next. First, again I am explaining about this one. Listen carefully. Here they given one table for us. In this they given number of competition and number of students participated. The school annual day functions, they arrange some competitions for the students. So in that competitions, how many members are participated? That one they given here. So by using that table, you should draw the bar graph. Okay, this is the question. Here four competitions are there. One is Bhavagiti, another one is a debate, essay writing, and elocution. So number of students in the first competition 10, second competition 20, third one is 25, and the last one is 15 members participated in that competitions. So by using this table, now I am going to draw the bar graph. See, first what we will do, we will draw one vertical line and one horizontal line. Okay. First we draw one vertical line, another one is horizontal line. So here how many competitions are there? 4. The vertical, whatever the number given now, you should take that vertical line. Numbers, you should take vertical line. Because of that reason, number of students participated. Here I taken vertical line. Okay. And this one is name of the competitions. This one is name of the competitions. So first one is Bhavagiti. In the Bhavagiti, 10 members participated in that competition. So the bar is exactly equal to 10. So this is Bhavagiti. And second one is debate competition. The number of students participated in the debate, that is 20 members. So I draw bar for that is 20 members. And the third one is essay writing competition. Number of students participated in that, that is 25 members. And the last one is allocation, that is number of students participated in that 15 members. See dear students, here Bhavagiti is there. Bhavagiti, number of students participated 10 members. So that's why this is exactly equal to 10. And the second one is 20 members. So the second bar is exactly equal to 20. And the third one is 25 members. So the bar is exactly equal to 25 members. The last one is 50. That is elocution competition. That is also one kind of, what is that? That is also one kind of speech competition. Okay. So these are exactly, first one exactly equal to 10. And second one exactly equal to 20, third one exactly equal to 25, and fourth one exactly equal to 50. This is about the graph. And after this one they given some questions for us. We should answer that question. Now we will see the questions. See, on the basis of this bar graph, they given some questions to you. What is explained in the bar graph? In the page number 94. The page number 94, they given some questions. With the help of pencil, you should write the answer for that question. What is explained in the bar graph? The bar graph explains given data category. What is that? Write in your textbook. The bar graph explain the bar graph explains given data category. The bar graph explains given data category. So this is the bar graph explained. So whatever they given in the table, that one explained in this graph. So by watching the table, it's better to see this bar graph. It will give the very clear picture. Which one is maximum, which one is less, and how many members are participated in the competition, and who is in which competitions students are participated more. That one it all explained in that group. In which competition did the maximum number of students participate? Maximum number. See, debate 10. The bar is less. This is 20. This is 25. The highest one is 25. That is essay writing. What is that? Essay writing. The answer for that is essay writing. Essay writing competition. What is that? Essay writing competition. In the essay writing competition, maximum number of students are participating. See, first question, what is explained in the bar graph? The bar graph explains given data category. Whatever the given data for us, the bar graph will explain and it will show the clear picture about whatever the given data. The second question is, in which competition did the maximum number of students participate? That is essay writing competition, 25 members. You should write 25 students in the bracket. 25 students. You should write in this one in bracket. Write in your textbook, page number 94. Okay. Here, remaining 3 questions are there. The third one, in which competition did the minimum number of students participated? So, previous they asked maximum number. Here, they are asking minimum number. That is 10th one, 10 members. Bhava Geet. The answer is Bhava Geet. In the competition of Bhava Geet, minimum number of students participated. Okay. The fourth one, how many students participated in the competition? Here they are asking total number of students. How many members are participated in the competition? All competition. See, first one, Bhava Geet, how many members? 10. That is Bhava Geet. And the second one is debate competition. How many members? Debate competition, 20 members. And the third one is essay writing. That is 25 members. And the last one is elocution. That is how many members are participated in that? Sorry. that number of students 50. We should add these all. We will get very easily total number of students participated in that competitions. So 0 plus 0, that is 0 only. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. We should take one carry here. We should write 0 here. If answer comes 10 means the ones place should be writing downside and the tens place we should take it as carry. Okay. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Total number of students 70. The question is how many students participated in the competition? That is 70 students. The answer for this question 70 students. The last question, among debate and elocution in which one did more number of students participate? See here, one is debate and another one is elocution. Here the debate is 20 members but elocution is 15. So what they are asking, among debate and elocution in which one did more number, not less number, more number of students participated. The answer is debate because 20 members, but in that 15 members. The answer is debate competition. What is that? Debate. Here they are asking more number. Okay. So debate competition. The answer is debate competition. See dear students, third one, in which competition did the maximum number of students participate? Maximum number in which competition they participate, that one they are asking. That is essay writing. The maximum, this is minimum. Maximum is essay writing over. Minimum means Bhava Giti. How many students participated in competition? Here they are asking total number of students. Okay. So Bhava Giti 10, debate 20, essay 25 and elocution 50. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. You should take carry 1 and 0 downside. 1's place should be down, you should write downside, and 10's place you should take it as carry. And next one, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1 carry, that is 7. Total 70 members of students. Among debate and elocution, in which one did more number of students participated? So debate competition, in the debate competition, number of students participation is more as compared to elocution. See dear students, in your textbook, the page number 94. Here two questions are there. You should write the answer for it. And in the page number 95, here three questions are there. You should write in your textbook. Don't write in your classwork book. Just write in your textbook. Page number 94 and 95. So the remaining question on this lesson we will see in the next class. So first you should write these all answers in your classwork book and also by hand the tables 2 to 25. Thank you dear students. Have a good day.